Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to turn off your profile views on TikTok. So first of all, you click on your TikTok app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below, you can see you are provided with 5 icons: the home icon, the now icon, the plus icon for creation and posting of TikTok videos, the inbox icon, and lastly, your profile icon. Here you click on your profile icon, and at the top right you click on the 3-dashed icon, and then here you click on settings and privacy, which is your last option. After that, you click on privacy, which is your second option at the account section, and then you scroll down to profile views, which is the second to the last option here in the interactions action. Then you turn it off or on. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.